Hello, in front of me I've got 8BitDo Lite 2 controller. In this video I'll show you controller preview. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the controller. Right here we've got the classical switch layout. Y, X, B, A buttons, plus minus buttons, 2 analog sticks, D-pad, start button and home button. Thanks to start button we can take screenshot. Of course if you press home you will go back. Plus minus buttons work as select and start. Here we've got the connection mode switch between Bluetooth and cable. At the top of the controller we can find USB-C charging port, Bluetooth pairing button, 2 triggers, 2 bumpers, and at the bottom we can find model number and connection status LEDs. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.